Guys, I hope you are all doing well and welcome to another video of impulse reaction. It will be a short video. In this video we will see how to password protect your Excel sheet or workbook. So you can do it with the multiple ways. This is our sales data. Let's pause. So I want to password protect this workbook or sheet. So you can see here in the top menu box there is a review section. You can protect sheet, you can protect your workbook. If I click here protect sheet, it will just protect this sheet which is selected sales data. So let's do it. I'm going to use a password here. Let's say ABCD and okay. Now I need to re-enter the password. Here we go. Okay, now this sheet is password protected. Now I cannot change anything from this selected sheet. So you can see here the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password, right? So when I enter the password ABCD and I click OK, so now I can change it just like that. Similarly, I can also protect the workbook by selecting this. I will again enter the password and I will again re-enter the password. You can read the message here. If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords. So if you forget the password, you cannot access this file or workbook again. So that's the thing. So there's another way to protect this. You can just protect the sheet by entering a password as ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Okay, and now it is password protected. You cannot change anything. Similarly, you can do this for this sheet as well, right? Another thing you can do, which is a universal way to password protect your workbook, you go to the file section and you click here protect workbook, and you can see here encrypt with password. So you just click here and it will say enter the password. Okay, re-enter it and here we go. Now you just save it and close it. So again you will now when you open the file again, it will appear just like that. A dialog box will appear which will demand a password from you, and you have to enter the password that you selected. And now I can edit whatever I want, right? So ABCD, I can also unprotect sheet, and now it is to the default settings as it was previously, right? Hope you liked today's video and see you in the next one with some great topics.